Hi, welcome back to Chuo Link, where we enlighten you about university and courses to help you make informed decisions about your future. In today's video, we're diving into the bachelor degree in Mechatronics Engineering, a powerful and innovative course that blends mechanics, electronics, and computing to create intelligent machines. If you've ever imagined building robots, smart systems, or self-driving cars, this might just be the course for you. So, what exactly is mechatronics engineering all about? Mechatronics engineering is an exciting and modern field that brings together four major engineering disciplines: mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and control systems. It focuses on designing, developing, and improving systems that combine hardware and software, like automated machines, robotics, and smart technologies. Whether it's a robotic arm on an assembly line, a drone that flies autonomously, or a medical device that responds to patient needs, mechatronics engineers are the minds behind these technologies. Now let's talk about what you'll study in this course. The curriculum is structured to help you understand and combine multiple areas of engineering. You'll begin with mechanical systems, where you learn about forces, movement, and how physical components like gears, joints, and motors work. Then you'll dive into electronics, covering circuits, microcontrollers, and sensors that allow machines to detect and respond to their environment. You'll also explore programming, learning languages like Python or C++, so you can control how machines behave. Another big part of the course is control systems, the algorithms and feedback loops that help machines operate accurately and automatically. Think of a self-balancing robot or a smart washing machine. These systems all rely on precise control. So, what do you gain from this program? By the time you graduate, you'll have the ability to design, build, and test intelligent mechatronic systems. You'll know how to integrate hardware and software to create automated machines that work efficiently and respond to real-world inputs. You'll also develop strong problem-solving skills and gain hands-on experience using tools and technologies used in today's industries. Whether it's designing robotic prototypes or writing code for automation, you'll be ready to take on real engineering challenges. Let's take a quick look at your career options after completing this degree. Graduates in mechatronics engineering are in high demand across many sectors. You could work as a mechatronics engineer designing and maintaining smart machines, or you might become a robotics engineer building robots for healthcare, manufacturing, or even space missions. There are also roles like automation engineer, control systems engineer, product design engineer, and systems integration engineer. You can work in industries like automotive, electronics, manufacturing, aerospace, and research and development. The opportunities are vast and growing fast, especially in Tanzania, where industries are moving toward more automation and innovation. Now, what makes this course unique? And what challenges should you expect? What sets mechatronics engineering apart is its multidisciplinary nature. You're not just learning one type of engineering, you're learning how to combine several. That makes the course dynamic, future-focused, and full of real-world applications. It's ideal for students who love technology, problem-solving, and building things from scratch. But it's also demanding. You'll need to be comfortable with math, physics, and programming. The course involves lab work, technical design, and coding. So time management and attention to detail are very important. Some projects might require hours of debugging or redesigning. It's a hands-on field that challenges both your creativity and your logic. But if you enjoy figuring out how things work and making them smarter, the rewards are worth it. The bachelor degree in mechatronics engineering is more than just a course. It's a launchpad into the world of automation, robotics, and intelligent machines. If you're curious about technology and passionate about innovation, this course could be your key to a career that shapes the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's exploring their university options. And if you want personalized advice or help choosing a course, reach out to the Chuo Link team. See you in the next video.